In this video, we'll show you how to live stream on YouTube using your mobile phone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android. If you're new here, remember to subscribe below. Liking this video helps it reach more people who could benefit from it. Live streaming on YouTube enables real-time interaction with your audience, fostering engagement and community building. It also enhances content visibility and can attract new subscribers. But to live stream on YouTube, there are some rules you need to follow. First, you need to ensure that you have at least 50 subscribers and that your channel has had no live streaming restrictions in the last 90 days. Keep in mind that it may take up to 24 hours before you can start your first live stream once you've turned on this feature. You'll also need to verify your channel and enable live streaming. You'll need an Android device running version 5.0 or higher to proceed. If all these requirements are met, start by opening the YouTube app on your phone or tablet. At the bottom of the screen, tap the Create or Plus button and select Go Live. If this is your first mobile live stream, be prepared for a potential wait of up to 24 hours. Once you're allowed to live stream, you can begin instantly. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your live stream. YouTube has different default privacy settings based on age. For users age 13 through 17, the default mobile live stream privacy setting is unlisted. For those 18 and over, the default setting is public. However, you can change this setting at any time to make your live stream public, private, or unlisted, according to your preference. If you want to schedule your live stream for a later time, tap More Options. Tap More Options to set up additional options for live chat, age restrictions, monetization, and more. And finally, tap Next. When you're ready to go live, tap Go Live. To end your stream, simply tap Finish. An archive of the stream will be created on your channel. You can edit the privacy settings of this archive or delete it at any time. That's it for this video. If this video was useful to you, please leave a comment below to share your thoughts. Additionally, don't forget to check out my website, MediaMagnetGuide.com, for an abundance of tutorials and resources on various subjects.